The weather has always been a challenge for driving. With each technological breakthrough, we have gotten one step closer to controlling it. Now we have managed to tame it. With the Climatronic, the user can set their ideal temperature, which we recommended at 22 Celsius degrees. Thanks to external and internal temperature and humidity sensors, the system regulates the different elements, so it's always at this temperature. Hola, hola.
What can I do for you?
I am freezing.
Sure, it will get cooler at the front left shortly.
In the future, the system will recognize each user and they enter an adapted temperature to their liking and according to the time of the day.